not the monster. They made me this way. You cannot leave!
I am not trapped. I am everywhere.
Everything you're watching right now was created by AI. The script, characters, voice, animation, even the lip sync. And the crazy part is, I didn't use any editing software. I only used prompts, and some of the results genuinely surprised me. Today, I'm going to show you the tool behind it. It's called Anijam AI, and it basically works like ChatGPT for animation. You type an idea, and the AI automates almost the entire production process for you. Script, storyboard, characters, animation, voiceover, lip sync, all in one workflow. No jumping between tools, no complicated software, and it's free to start. New accounts get 500 credits instantly, plus 100 more every day you check in. Oh, and you can do all of this from your phone too. Anijam works on mobile browsers and has an app, so you're not tied to a desktop. So let's test it out and see how good it actually is. All right, let me show you how to get started. Head over to anijam.ai. I'll leave the link at the top of the description and also pin it in the comments below. Hit sign up, enter your details, and you're in. As soon as you land on the dashboard, your 500 credits are already loaded and ready to use. Make sure you hit the daily check-in too. That's how you keep stacking free credits over time. Now let's actually create something. Click New Project and enter your prompt. It doesn't need to be complicated. A sentence or two is enough. Here's what I'm using for this test. Create a heartwarming Pixar-style animated short about a lonely delivery robot helping a lost child find their family in a futuristic city. Emotional storytelling, cinematic lighting, high-quality 3D animation, expressive faces, emotional soundtrack, smooth animation, realistic lip sync, colorful environments. Once you send it, the AI immediately starts planning the concept. And this is one of the biggest differences with Anijam. It's not randomly generating clips, it's actually structuring the full animation workflow from scratch. Next, you choose your creation mode. There are 4 options. AI Director mode, which hands full creative control to the AI. Workflow mode, for more manual control over each step. Oscar mode, which takes one idea and develops it into a master-level script and full video, and Storyboard plan, which works especially well with the Dance 2.0 model. For this walkthrough, I'm going with AI Director mode. It's the most beginner-friendly and lets the AI handle most of the creative decisions automatically. I'm also selecting Dance 2.0 as the video model. From here, set your audience type, platform format, aspect ratio, audio mode, and duration. I'm choosing dialogue for audio and 1 minute for duration. Hit confirm, and the AI gets to work, generating characters, storyboard ideas, scripts, scenes, and visual direction all at once. This honestly feels more like directing a creative assistant than editing a video yourself. You can zoom in using the hand tool at the bottom, hold Control and scroll to zoom, and slide the storyboard sideways to follow the generation as it builds out. When the style prompt comes up, just click Style Design to keep it moving. From here, you select your visual style. I got multiple 3D options, and Anijam has a full style library to explore depending on the story you want to tell. I'm going with Pixie Pop 3D. The AI then starts analyzing the project and preparing character concepts automatically. Move into concept design, let it finish, and it lays out all your scene ideas, character details, and visual references. Click Generate All Concepts and the character building begins. Within a few minutes, all your scene images are ready to preview, and the visual quality here is genuinely impressive for AI-generated work. Now, the most exciting part, video generation. The AI breaks the project into multiple scenes, each with its own production plan, camera direction, and animation flow. You can generate everything at once or go step by step. I prefer step by step because it helps the AI stay consistent across scenes. And the results? This was the moment I expected the quality to fall apart, but it didn't. The lip sync, camera movement, voice, scene consistency, and cinematic feel all came together better than expected. Everything stays connected in one workflow.
I knock it! I know that street. Let's go that way.
No exporting between tools at any point. And by the way, you can run this exact same process right now on your phone. Anijam's mobile browser and app work just as well as desktop, so you really can create from anywhere. Now let's generate the background music. Preview it when it's done. If it fits, keep going. If not, just type a new prompt and it'll generate a fresh one. Once you're happy with everything, click Render Preview Video. When it's done, you can preview the full animation, make any adjustments, then export. From one text prompt to a finished animated video entirely within one workflow.
Are you here to help me? I knock it! I know that street. Let's go that way.
Luna, my baby.
Mommy! Thank you, Bot.
Overall, Anijam is worth paying attention to, especially for YouTube Shorts creators, storytellers, anime creators, TikTok creators, and beginners who don't want to spend months learning animation software. It turns the whole process into a conversation. Instead of learning complex tools, you're directing an AI creative assistant. For AI-assisted animated content creation, this is genuinely impressive. If you want to try it yourself, the link is at the top of the description and pinned in the comments. New users get 500 free credits on sign-up, plus 100 every day you check in. Subscribe for more AI tools and experiments, and I'll see you in the next one.
Jumps onto the desk and starts messing around. The cat can only sigh. The naughty pup tugs at the wires, making loud static noises. The cat holds up a quiet sign, but the puppy just ignores it. The clever cat comes up with a perfect idea.
Here, eat this.
It takes out a bone from the drawer and throws it away. The puppy's attention is instantly stolen,
Let's start our story for today.
and the radio show can finally begin.